Welcome to Foodstory.
So this is my friend Liu Wei. She requested to make this dish. It's my favorite.
This is a dish called Zuke, typically a marinated tuna, known as an example of Edomae Sushi Technique. It originated in Tokyo after the capital of Japan shifted from Kyoto to Tokyo in the 17th century. The style of sushi is known as nigiri sushi, handheld sushi made with cured or otherwise prepared seafood, so that they would last longer without refrigeration. Zuke sauce is simple. Depending on what fish you marinate, you can choose from among different kinds of soy sauce. Slice a sashimi as you like. I'm slicing off a sashimi block today, but depending on how you like to serve it, you can also cut it into cubes or strips. When you're finished slicing the sashimi, you'll marinate the pieces in the sauce and keep them in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sushi vinegar for season the rice. This amount is for 1 cup of rice. I have another video explaining how to make sushi rice. Please watch that video if you'd like to learn more details of how to make sushi rice. I like to cut my shiso leaf in a thin chiffonade style. Slice an avocado, or you can also cut it into cubes if you're cutting your sashimi into cubes. In the sushi class, I teach how to make pickled ginger. It's nice to add refreshing and different textures aside from eating rice and sashimi, so I like to make something similar by using lotus root in this video. This root vegetable is crunchy when you cut it thick. To add some extra touch, I decided to make a few flower shapes. Just boil them for a minute or two. This is a paste of umeboshi, pickled sour plum. I'm mixing this with kombu stock. Add just a taste with plum paste. Then place the cooked lotus root in the bowl of sour plum sauce and marinate it until it's ready to serve. I like to serve it chilled. For the vegetable dish, I use dashi stock seasoned with soy sauce and mirin, cooking with shimeji mushroom and komatsuna leaves lightly.
How much can you eat? Just a regular healthy portion. Change the color so we can block it out to be Oh, looks good. Itadakimasu. So since this is all the fish are marinated, you don't have to dip into soy sauce. So you just go ahead and eat.
Go straight. I'm going to start with a piece of salmon. So this is called zuke.
Zuke.
Does it mean anything?
It's just marinated in a sauce. Like whatever the things marinated in a sauce is called zuke. So, but if you go to sushi restaurant and if you ask for zuke, it's usually a tuna.
Tuna, okay. So we're having salmon and tuna.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's definitely better to just pick the dark color meat, just like salmon and tuna, because you're marinating in soy sauce, it picks up color. So I would never marinate the Thai snapper or whitefish because the color
So
doesn't look
changes it
good.
completely. I think this is my favorite Japanese lunch.
That's what I made for you.
Yay! Thank you, Yoko.
I spent quite a long time to make this flour thing.
Do you drink the sauce?
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like a cold soup.
This is just perfect for 2-3 people to have a daily food. Not like a hassle to make this.
Yeah, I could have this like twice, 2-3 times.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Kanpai.
Thank you. Kanpai.
Oh,
So
kanpai.
nice. Kanpai. This is really like the dessert. It finishes it off
It
really
is.
nicely.
So what do you think? Can you make it at home? Easily.
Yeah, I think so. I learned so much from this. Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
enjoyed it, so.
Oh, so maybe I should just show you what I use.
Yeah.
2 different kinds of soy sauce. That is, this is my favorite soy sauce. And then for this marinade dish, you do want to use a good soy sauce and mirin. But then, so this is a dark soy sauce. So I am recommending to use a little light color soy sauce.
Okay.
This comes out much lighter in color compared to dark soy sauce. So when you don't wanna marinate, like if you're gonna marinate 15 minutes with 20-30 minutes with this, and then color comes out much heavier, like a
much
soy sauce
stronger,
color.
yeah.
So
Dark.
for salmon, I use this light color soy sauce.
Okay.
So and then I
So it's
added
not
wasabi
together.
to this.
It's not together.
Not together. So
Yeah.
for tuna, I use this
That
one,
one.
and then salmon, I use this one, and added maybe half tip or teaspoon of wasabi. And
Yeah,
use
I
this.
tasted. I like the
And then
wasabi.
I use that 2-1 portion today. So if I put 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, I put 1 teaspoon. But even for this soup, this was only dashi stock with soy sauce and mirin only. Did you feel it was a little too sweet?
This one?
Yeah.
I mean, I like the sweetness.
Sweetness,
It's
yeah.
sweet and savory together.
I
yeah.
could go a little less with
Yeah.
this, but I like this too.
I feel like it tasted a little smokiness.
Well, because I added bonito flakes.
Okay.
So
yeah,
this was a
definitely taste
kombu and bonito flake stock, and then 8 ounce of dashi to 1 ounce and 1 ounce of this.
that. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, I tasted
And
that
that's
right
it,
away
yeah.
in the beginning. Cool. So simple.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.